Well, the market was a bit volatile, but we finally found support at around the 5,300 mark for the Nifty. So a bit of correction coming in from the highs in yesterday's session, but the market did not crack below 5,300, which was encouraging. That was reflected in the overall turnover as well. 1,17,000 crores is what we did in total, with about 10,000 coming in from NSE cash. In terms of stock-specific activity, you had an L&T, you had a BPCL, and even an Infosys which held out in the session. In fact, just in the dying minutes of trade, Infosys cracked a bit to come into the red, but for the better part of the session and the last two trading days, it's been holding up. Lots of news in the market about what can come out in the numbers, the expectation from the guidance. But we'll have to wait and watch as to how things shape up when the numbers come in and how that is taken by the stock. The trade in IT is, of course, split down the middle. Wipro, on the back of news flow, has been consistently looking weak over the last few sessions. Even today, a 2.5% cut coming in there. Among some of the other losers, you had the ADAG group of stocks which were weak. Some of the commodity names lost out. Hindalco was weak as well. Defenses, ITC, HUL lost out in the session. BHEL was a weak trade despite L&T showing strength. SGFC was a set of numbers. The stock is, of course, expensive from a valuation perspective, but irrespective of that, we had the company come out and deliver pretty much in line with expectations. A consistent growth of about roughly 20% top line, bottom line, 19% to be more precise. The broader markets, again, it was very, very stock specific there as well. You had some focus which will come in on aviation, if indeed the news about FDI in aviation is true, where the aviation minister, and that's an ET Now exclusive, is looking to meet, and take forward the matter of FDI in aviation with the finance minister. So that's something that will keep the market in focus. Also focus on fertilizer and sugar names in the coming few sessions. And momentum stocks, auto ancillaries particularly, were in focus in today's session. So keep an eye out for those as well. Tomorrow's day would essentially belong to what comes into the IIP numbers and Infosys' result.